In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete/remove spam emails in Gmail. This is a quick and effective way to clear out your spam folder, reduce clutter, and keep your mailbox easier to manage. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in to the correct Gmail account. Since deleting spam messages cannot be easily undone, start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to your Gmail inbox. If Gmail is already open, take a moment to confirm you are looking at your inbox view, where your folders and labels appear along the left side of the screen. Now look to the left sidebar menu. In Gmail, some folders are visible right away, but others are tucked away to keep the sidebar clean. Find the option that says More and click it. This expands the sidebar and reveals additional folders and labels that are not always shown by default. With the expanded menu open, locate the folder labeled Spam. It usually has a warning-style icon next to it, which helps it stand out. Click Spam to open it. Gmail automatically filters messages it suspects are unwanted or unsafe into this folder, so it is normal to see a mix of promotional junk and suspicious emails here. Near the top of the spam folder, look for a line of text that says Delete all spam messages now. This is the fastest option when you want to clear the entire spam folder in one action, instead of selecting messages one by one. Click that link to instantly remove all spam messages in the folder. After you click it, Gmail will show a confirmation pop-up. This is an important safety check to make sure you really want to delete everything in spam at once. Click OK to confirm. Gmail will then clear the spam folder. Give it a moment to refresh, and you should see that the spam folder is empty or significantly reduced. Keep in mind that new spam messages can continue to arrive over time, so you may want to repeat this cleanup occasionally. And that covers everything you need to know.